To recover Rocket Money bill negotiation, follow these steps. First, understand what Rocket Money is. A platform that helps users negotiate bills and save money. If you have canceled your Rocket Money subscription or want to restart a negotiation, recovering your bill negotiation is straightforward. Step 1. Log into your Rocket Money account using your email and password. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset it. Once logged in, navigate to the Bills section where you will see a list of all your bills. Step 2. Identify the bill you want to recover negotiation for. Click on the bill and then click on the Restart Negotiation button. This will send a request to Rocket Money to restart the negotiation process. Step 3. Wait for Rocket Money to review your request. This may take a few hours or up to 24 hours. Once reviewed, you will receive an email from Rocket Money confirming that the negotiation has been restarted. Step 4. Monitor your email and Rocket Money account for updates on the negotiation. Rocket Money will keep you informed about the progress of the negotiation and any savings they are able to secure on your behalf. Best practices to keep in mind when recovering Rocket Money bill negotiation include regularly checking your account for updates, responding promptly to any requests from Rocket Money, and being patient as the negotiation process can take time. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully recover your Rocket Money bill negotiation and start saving money on your bills again.